What if one coffee machine could handle espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew, while also grinding your beans, measuring your dose, tamping the coffee, and frothing your milk? That's exactly what the Ninja Luxe Café Premier ES601 is designed to do. This 3-in-1 coffee system combines a built-in conical Burr grinder, weight-based dosing, Barista Assist Technology, an assisted tamper, and a hands-free Dual Froth System. But can all of these features actually deliver cafe-style drinks at home, or is this machine simply over-engineered? Let's take a closer look. The Ninja Luxe Café Premier is aimed at coffee drinkers who want more variety without buying separate machines for espresso, regular coffee, and cold brew. According to Ninja, the ES601 can brew espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew directly from whole beans, making it an unusually versatile countertop system. The machine also combines grinding, weighing, brewing, and milk preparation into one setup. So instead of having a separate grinder, espresso machine, scale, and frother taking up your counter, the Luxe Café Premier brings most of those functions together. Let's start with the coffee preparation system. The built-in Conical Burr grinder offers 25 grind settings, ranging from finer settings for espresso to coarser settings for drip coffee. One of the smartest features is Barista Assist Technology. Instead of forcing beginners to guess the correct grind setting and extraction parameters, the machine provides grind size recommendations and automatically adjusts brewing variables based on the selected drink. There's also weight-based dosing, with a built-in scale that measures the coffee dose for more consistent preparation. And the assisted tamper helps simplify one of the trickier parts of making espresso. That makes this machine particularly interesting for beginners who want to learn espresso without starting completely from scratch. The other major highlight is the Dual Froth System. Instead of manually steaming milk the entire time, the system combines steaming and whisking to create microfoam automatically. Ninja provides 4 hands-free frothing programs, including options designed for different milk types and hot or cold foam. That opens up a lot of possibilities for cappuccinos, lattes, iced drinks, and other cafe-style beverages. And then there's the 3-in-1 brewing capability. You can make espresso, regular coffee, and rapid cold brew using the same machine. Ninja also highlights cold-pressed espresso and a wide range of drink combinations, making the Luxe Café Premier much more than a traditional espresso machine. In everyday use, the biggest advantage of the Luxe Café Premier is versatility. If you want an espresso in the morning, a regular coffee later in the day, or a cold brew in the afternoon, you don't need 3 different machines. The automated guidance also reduces some of the guesswork involved in espresso preparation. Independent testing from Wired found the machine offers a strong balance between beginner-friendly automation and customization, although the espresso can require some calibration and experimentation. And that's worth remembering. This isn't a completely hands-off superautomatic machine. It still gives you elements of a traditional espresso workflow, which can be appealing if you actually enjoy making coffee. The cold brew capability is another standout. User reports have particularly praised the smooth results, although cold brew naturally takes longer than a standard espresso or coffee brew. The main downside is size and complexity. You're getting a lot of functionality in one countertop appliance, so it takes up more space and requires regular cleaning and maintenance. So, is the Ninja Luxe Café Premier ES601 worth buying? If you want a versatile home coffee system that can handle espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew, while also incorporating a grinder, built-in scale, assisted tamping, and hands-free milk frothing, this is one of the most feature-packed options in its category. The 25-setting Conical Burr grinder, Barista Assist Technology, weight-based dosing, and automatic frothing make it especially attractive to people who want cafe-style drinks without having to master every technical detail immediately. At the same time, serious espresso enthusiasts may prefer a more traditional setup that gives them complete manual control over every part of the extraction. So this machine is best suited to someone who wants variety, convenience, and guided espresso preparation rather than a purely manual barista experience. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of espresso machines, coffee makers, kitchen appliances, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.